Introducing the ASG LZ-19 Series linear position sensor from Alliance Sensors Group, an excellent solution for precise, reliable measurements in hazardous locations. Hazardous locations, or HAZLOCs, are environments where explosive gases, vapors, or dust can be present, such as oil fields, chemical plants, and grain mills. These areas require specialized equipment to ensure safety and performance. Our new ASG LZ-19 linear position sensor is designed specifically for these challenging environments. It's UL and CUL approved for use in Class 1, Division 2 Groups C and D, as well as IEC Zone 2 Groups A and B, ensuring to meet safety standards in both the United States and Canada. Enjoying this video? Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. The LZ-19 uses contactless linear variable inductance transducer, or LVIT, technology for precise, wear-free measurements. Available in measuring ranges from 0.1 inches to 30 inches, the sensor offers several DC voltage outputs, plus a 4 to 20 milliamp current loop output. No HAZLOC barriers or isolators required. Built to perform in tough conditions, the LZ-19 excels in critical applications like natural gas turbines, oil platform pumps, tank farm valve position sensing, and fire suppression systems. The LZ-19 is an innovative solution for industries requiring safe, dependable linear position sensing in hazardous locations. ASG LZ-19 precision and safety redefined. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content. For more details on the ASG LZ-19 and other solutions from Alliance Sensors Group, visit us at alliancesensors.com and contact us today.